we like approached them with like nothing but respect. Like 070 was so sweet and willing, but like the big-headed bitch on the right had literally the craziest attitude. And she was grasping onto shake like someone was gonna snatch her. Like, girl, relax. And bitch, you're not even fitted. Like, you know, your new show just came out. Your dad was just in court. Don't walk around Soho looking this crazy. Trench coat button to the top, and these ballerina ass slippers. What's going on? I don't know if she was like coked out